Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Like guys, it's so shining here. Sun is even blinding my eyes. Honestly, I'm super excited about this video because I'm cooking outside today and it's going to be kind of village cooking, guys. I want to experience that village life. Like, who misses village? Like, I misses my Nigeria village life, honestly. So whenever I'm here, I'm trying to bring that lifestyle. I want to bring it alive. I want to experience it like here and here. So the only time I normally do that is cooking outside. That bring out like all those old memories. Yeah, I'm going to be show you guys every items that I'll be using for this light soup or vegetable soup, yeah, whatever you want to call it. So let's go ahead and get on to the cooking. So this is all the items I'll be using. This is chicken broth, this is a chicken breast, this is carrots, garlic. I'm going to be using this potato, onion, red pepper. This is mushroom, and then this is hot pepper, and this is tomatoes and all that. Like, this is all the ingredients that I'll be using for this soup. Okay. This is the big pot that I'll be using because you guys know that our family is a large family. So because of the wind, I'm going to use this to cover.
Jesus' name.
Amen. Come and join us, guys, and eat with us. Yeah. So okay. I have tasted it before. You taste it and tell me what you think. It's hot though. You need to be careful, okay? This is really nice, but this is gonna be like very perfect in winter time because this is hot and the weather is hot as well. So this is gonna be perfect, you know, in winter time. Okay, it's hot. Need to be careful.
Okay. Now I'm going to test the soup.
The soup is on point.
I like the soup. The soup is very good.
Yeah.
The potatoes more good. More good. Potatoes more good.
Yeah, you can put two of them together.
And then it's very, 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 very good. Meat. I don't know what this is, but
Oh, it's hot, so we need to be careful so that it will cool down very well. So guys, we are going to leave you guys so that we can enjoy this food like very well. Thank you so much if you are watching up to this moment. God bless you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
bye.
Bye.